The man gave the mechanic money to pay for the car repairs. The woman gave me a glass of water and a tablet because I had a really bad headache. My boyfriend gave me an engagement ring. He wanted to marry me. My business colleague gave me a pen. I needed to write something down. The waiter gave the customer a piece of cake. The mother gave her daughter some cough medicine. She had a really bad cough. The doctor gave me a prescription to take to the chemists. The mother gave her child something to eat. Santa Claus gave the young woman a big present. She was delighted. The nurse gave the patient a tablet to take for the pain. The man gave the homeless man some money to get something to eat. The man gave money to charity. Somebody gave me an amazing present yesterday. Yesterday was my lucky day. Someone gave me a lot of money. The waitress gave the receipt to the customer. The car salesman gave the couple their keys to their new car. The politician gave me money to keep quiet. He bribed me to stay silent. The receptionist gave the hotel guests their room key to their room. The boyfriend gave his girlfriend a surprise gift and a kiss on the cheek. I thought I had finished, but my boss gave me more work to do. The man gave the waitress his credit card to pay the bill. The man gave his credit card details to pay for something over the phone. The delivery courier gave a package to the customer. The family gave each other Christmas presents on Christmas Day. The bank clerk gave the customer at the bank her money that she asked for. The granddaughter gave her grandmother a present for her 60th birthday. The businessman gave his business card to the businesswoman. The brother gave his sister a Christmas present. The man gave the new app 5 stars. The people at work gave each other a high five. The father gave his son a lift on his shoulders. The boss gave a presentation to his staff. The businessman gave the business idea the thumbs up. The fitness trainer gave the woman a thumbs up. She has lost a lot of weight. The teacher gave her student a high five. The politician gave a speech to the reporters. The man gave the pregnant woman a shoulder massage. The dog gave the woman a paw. The coach gave the team a team talk. The woman gave blood at the local hospital. The man at the top of the mountain gave the other man a helping hand. Last night, the woman gave birth to a baby boy. The man gave the woman a piggyback. The teacher gave her students a test to do. The woman gave the driver of the car directions on how to get to the nearest petrol station.